Hello there, thanks for joining us. In this video, we have great news for persons who are on study permits. If you have applied for a Canadian study permit, or you already have a Canadian permit, or if you're looking to study in Canada, you will now be able to travel to Canada to pursue your studies, notwithstanding all of the issues being brought about by the coronavirus and this pandemic. So we'll have much more on this after the break. As always, do remember to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. We'll be right back. Welcome back. My name is Donovan Francis, and I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer, and I help skilled workers inside Canada and those outside of Canada to become Canadian permanent residents without having to deal with all of the complicated forms that are part of that process. Now, in this video, we have some fantastic news for persons who are on Canadian study permits but who have not been able to travel to Canada due to the coronavirus pandemic, or for persons who have an interest, who are planning on applying for a Canadian study permit, but who are uncertain about their ability to travel to Canada to pursue their studies because of all the closures that have been brought about by the coronavirus. Well, the good news is that the Canadian government has announced that effective the 20th of October 2020, the government will be allowing persons who have been issued Canadian study permits to travel to Canada to complete their studies. And so that is going to be great news for students who are already pursuing their Canadian studies but who are outside Canada and are completing those studies remotely. It's also great news for persons who are in the process of applying, and it's equally good news for persons who are contemplating applying. As it stands now, before the 20th of October, persons on study permits and who were not issued those permits before March 18th, 2020 would not have been able to travel to Canada. Only those persons would have been able to travel to Canada to study, and also students who were traveling from the US. So that's about to change, and you will be able to come to Canada to complete your studies. Of course, the requirements around the need for you to be quarantined, that will remain in place. And so for those who do not know, Canada currently has a 14-day compulsory quarantine period that anybody who is entering the country must complete before they become eligible to re-enter into the Canadian community, the Canadian society. And so that's going to be a requirement that you will have to meet. But the fantastic news again is that you will be able to come to Canada to complete your studies if you are currently on a study permit, or if you're in the process of applying for a study permit. So I hope you found value from this. Feel free to share this video with your friends and family and associates. Like this video, and as always, remember to subscribe to our channel and check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.